Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Decor Diary, where we promote new feature and fresh perspective in home decor and discover new ideas, tips, and DIY project to transform your home into a beautiful heaven. Our goal is to help you see your home in a new light. So let's decorate and inspire together. So, my dear viewers, in today's video, we are diving into the best front door makeover ideas that will help you completely transform your home entrance and boost your curb appeal instantly. Where you are working with a small budget or ready for a full revamp, these simplest yet stunning front door makeover ideas are perfect for homeowner looking to add charm, personality, and style to their entrance. Your front door is the first impression of your home. It sets the tone, tells your guest what to expect inside, enhance your home overall beauty and value. So let's explore how you can give your front door area fabulous new look without breaking bank. Transform your home exterior with a stunning outdoor gate and door design that combines style and functionality. Imagine a beautiful gate with lush greenery like climbing vines or flowering plants and adds a touch of natural elegance to your entrance pairs with the sleek and modern doors designed like a wooden or metal door with clean lines and minimalist hardware to create stunning and best visual contrast. The floor leading up to your door can be made beautiful tile like natural stones or add a touch of polished and durability. Consider adding some decorative elements and makeovers to give your gate and door unique and personalized look. Greenery can also be incorporated into the design of the gate itself, like a living wall or a terrace to create a seamless transition between the gate and adding surrounding landscape. This tiles floor can be designed to complement the gate and door with patterns of colors that ties with the whole look together. A well designed outdoor gate and decor not only enhance the curb appeal of your home but also provide sense and security and functionality. Also think about adding some outdoor lightings like solar lights, string lights, and add according to your taste. With right combination of greenery tiles and decor design, you can create stunning and best outdoor space that set tone of your entrance home. The combination of greenery, tiles, and door design can create stunning visual effect that adds curb appeal and value to your home. By incorporating natural material and decorative elements, you can create a unique and personalized look that reflects your taste, style, and enhance the beauty of your home. Thanks for watching the Decor Diary. Get inspired and get decor the reflect of your personal style. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more decor ideas and inspiration. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave comments below with your favorite decor tips. Hit the notification bell, stay updated to our latest video. Thank you for watching my video. Keep supporting me, keep liking my videos. Thanks a lot.